Good afternoon, everybody. This is Catherine from my hillside garden. I have a problem and I could use someone's help who could advise me on my irises. They've been in this area for a while. I have transplanted some over time, and a bleeding heart volunteered itself in the area and it got rather large this year. I'm just weeding this area this weekend and I found a good deal of rotten rhizomes. So if someone could give me some tips or hints. I am not sure that it wasn't entirely operator error. I think it may have been because I let the bleeding heart get too big, and with all the rain we've had, it's just been too moist. I know to keep the rhizomes above the soil more or less and let the roots go down. Let me turn you around and show you what I mean. Okay, there's the bleeding heart that I really hacked back by about half, and I'm going to transplant it because I really like this area for my iris bed. So here's the problem, and let's see if I can get one out of they're so mushy, I'm afraid to even touch them. All right, let's see. There we go. See, and it's just mush. Some of them I did see, so you could just, it's just mush. Oop. Get it into focus. So I am going to be throwing everything that is rotten out. I have saved some. I have checked them. This one's a tiny bit soft, but not bad. Maybe I should get rid of this end, because these parts are nice and hard, and otherwise the plant, you know, it looks good. The roots look okay. So if someone could just advise me, is there a worm I need to look out for, a bug or a grub or something? Because all these I have to transplant now because they were parts of rotten pieces. And see, some of them, I'm sorry, bad filming today. Some of them have kind of healed themselves. And this is, you know, this is nice and firm. So if someone could give me their opinion on how I could better take care of this area when something like this happens, I'd appreciate it. And I hope you're having a great day. It's Monday of Memorial Day weekend, and it's at least overcast, not raining, so I've spent a lot of time out in the yard today. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to the comments from anyone who might have some suggestions. Have a great day.